So today as I'll be showing you that how you can use some strategies from TradingView and see that how it works for various other scripts. Like if you go to my profile, go here and click on the scripts, scroll down, you'll find something like promotes intraday strategy. I name it promote because I was arguing with a friend named Pramod about a strategy. So the strategy is very simple. Like you have heard of the super trend or opening range breakout or simple average, simple moving average things, right? So this is the strategy. If open is equal to high, short with some percentage of stop loss and some take profit, and if open is equal to low, long it. So this is a very wildly popular strategy. So it is called open high open low strategy if you know about it. So as you can see the chart of United Spirits and how it is working on United Spirits, and as also you can see the code. If open is equal to low, strategy is taking long, and profit or stop loss is given. It is basically like the bracket order which we use in the Indian market, right? Now what if we want to see that how much it will, it's like how it will do if we do something on like Reliance. So for that, all you have to do is go to the Reliance. Okay. So this is one more indicator. Let me just remove it. Suppose you don't have it, and suppose you have something like this. Now click on here, type promote. It will come easily. Okay, just click on it. So it will apply. When it will apply, you can see it will name OLA strategy, OHL strategy. Okay, because I didn't use his name. Oh, give me 1 minute. Yeah. So this is the same strategy as you can see, and also you can see the strategy register. It is showing that how much profit or loss is happening in case of the Reliance. Okay, and if you switch the time frame, it will take some time because it is calculating and running the whole strategy again. So when open is equal to low, so I do not think that there will be some much difference, but when you are reducing like this or going like that, it is taking that amount of time frames. Okay, that amount of trades. Now see, you have seen some dot here, right? So it is showing all the trades that has occurred so far. Now let's check about something. Let's check in Nifty Bank. Give it some time. See, in Nifty Bank it is performing good, and this is a huge maximum drawdown of something like this. Okay, because we have not defined any maximum stop loss, something like that. Okay, and you can see that when it is happening, like go to the performance summary, check the list of the trades, all the stuff like that. So basically that's what I want to show you. And the more important thing is that you are not seeing anything like this, like very small amount in the Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty it is an index. So let's apply into something like Maruti. Wait for some time, this spinning. So by switching like this, you can change all the stocks, whatever you want, and you can also do the futures, you can also do in the crude oil. Just wait for some time, it will pop up. See. Okay, now there's one more thing, which is if you change the commission to about something like, see, we are not putting anything in the brokerage, right? So I am assuming that at least 20% of whatever I am making will be going to the cost, brokerage, STT, or whatever stuff like that. Let me do it 20 per order. So like Zerodha, we are taking 20 rupees for entering the trade and 20 rupees for exiting the trade. So it will be like 40 INR, right? So 40 INR plus GST, so 50. Click OK. Now it will show you totally different amount of data. It is anyway showing loss in the HDFC Bank, so I am trying to show in some profit. So let's check the MC12. MC12 is also showing the loss. So what is exactly happening that other guys who are showing you the strategy and everything like that, they are removing the cost. So when you're removing the cost, it is totally showing 50,000 less loss, right? So which is totally unfair. So always try the try different settings here. Like I'll be showing you that you can change the initial capital here. You can also do leave the pyramiding stuff, and you can also add the slippage. Okay, and check also this part. It will also show the entry and exit in the chart. So like this, you can also do many other strategies. Like what do you want to do? Let me just check. Super trend. I changed to scripts and did the super trend one. Okay, just wait. No, do not take a chart like this. Take a chart which is a strategy. Okay, and showing you a graph that buy signal or something like that. Okay, see, this is 33,000. That is huge. So this is some strategy, right? That is happening, and you can also see that the code is also open source. And the crucial part is you can easily automate with if you are a member of my forum. Okay, just let me show you that you can easily automate with any broker. So leave this strategy. This strategy will work on some scripts and will not work in some script. But people who are selling you the courses and the YouTube videos, they'll be finding some script which it is working in the backtest. And when you will run, so in reality you are seeing only 6,000 loss, right? But when you are adding the brokers, that is a 50,000 extra loss. Okay, so just see that. Now leave it. Let me hunt some other strategy. This huge name strategy. So let's check it. It's spinning means it is running on it, so it is also not making much profit. And see, some strategy will also shift if you are changing the time frame. Let me change the time frame to 30 minutes. It's still spinning here. Yeah, see, the 30 minutes the returns are changing, but not much huge difference, right? Because if you are adding the cost, like at, see here there are many inputs, right? But if you add the commission here, like 50 per order, like 20 rupees for in entering and 20 rupees for exiting and some GST, it will end up as a loss. So always add the commission structure. Okay, and let's see some script which is like Vedanta. If rises, keep rising like that. Metal stocks, because it is being said that metal stock is very good for the trending strategies, right? Similar loss is happening here. Let's check the higher time frame. It is also okay, not some much huge. Okay, so let's delete this strategy and let's see. Okay, last try will be a Reliance. See, it is not also a very huge profit or sale, because this is a sale trigger which went terribly bad. So let's leave this strategy also and let's find some other strategy. Any strategy is fine. Let's check something famous, which is, give me 1 minute. Double zigzag. Always first scroll down and see if there is any performance stuff, is something is there. Because if it is not showing the performance, it means that it is just giving the signal and not calculating anything else. Okay, so you will find many awesome strategies like that. Let's check this strategy. This is showing a huge profit, so let's see, something is happening here. And also the source code, always check the source code is free or not, because if the source code is not free, you cannot trust this strategy. Yeah, it is showing some amount of profit, which is better than a loss. Obviously, it's not a very huge one. So let's see that if it is working on the intraday. Somewhat it will make only brokerage if you add again the commission. So the key point is that you should always add the commission part. Okay, and apart from doing that, If you write just strategy, you'll find unlimited good strategies, which is also free. And you can always see that if you're putting the brokerage, it is gone. So this is a huge showing profit, but I don't think that it will make anything. Yeah, it looks something. So let's try this one. Super Guppy strategy. Yeah, if you go to the unoffice.com/diary, if you go here, unoffice.com/diary slash, yeah, you'll find the strategy coded in Python also. This strategy. So this is a very good strategy. I use this one. So yeah, the source code is also free and everything is free. Let's check how it is working. Huge profit. Yeah, so you can see this strategy. And let's also add, yeah, Gopi strategies are always very good, but the drawdown is very huge. So you need to check for the pitfalls, but it is a very good one. Yeah, see, it is taking a long position. The shots are also fine. Yeah, it is a fantastic strategy. So this is the key takeaway from the video. I'll be also putting the link of the strategy. Just go it and see it, and see if you like it. Okay. And as I said, you can also automate it. All you have to do is put some code here, which I do not want to say in this video, but you can ask me in the Slack.